is another Foundation Paper 2 Quickfire Revision 2023 paper Edexcel. 3 kilograms of flour costs £4.05. 5 kilograms of flour and 6 kilograms of sugar cost £11.85. It's asking us to work out the cost of 2 kilograms of flour and 5 kilograms of sugar. Now, what we're going to do first, we're going to find out what 1 kilogram is, and we're going to work on the flour. So to get to 1 kilogram, we've got to do 3 kilograms, which costs £4.05. And to get 1 kilogram, we're going to divide this by 3. So we now know that 1 kilogram is equal to £1.35. So, and we have 5 kilograms of flour. So let's just work on that bit. So we've got 5 times £1.35 equals £6.75. So what we're now going to do is we've got to work on the sugar. So first of all, we've got £11.85, which was the totality for both. Subtract what we already know, which leaves us with £5.10. Now we're going to work on the sugar, our final part, our final stage. So we know that 6 kilograms costs what's left over, which was £5.10. And we want to find 1 kilogram. And we're going to divide it by 6, using exactly the same method here. So 1 kilogram is equal to 85p. So now it's asking us for 2 kilograms of flour. So the answer is 2 times £1.35 plus 5 times 0.85. Now, if you put all that in your calculator, your answer will be £6.95. Reread this and go through it and try and understand it, because these questions come all the time. And it is worth 4 marks as well. So doing your method marks is crucial with this kind of question. Martha and Nabil share £120. Martha gets 72% of the money. She spends 30% on the money she gets. How much money does she get? What's left? So we're going to do 72% times 120 into our calculator. And that's going to give us £86.40. She spends 30% of the money she gets. So she spends, I'm just going to write spends here. 30% times £86.40, which gives us £25.92. So what's left? We have £86.40, subtract £25.92, leaves us with £60.48. That's another classic question as well, but with the calculator, as long as you know what to plug in to find your percentage. So, for example, on this calculator here, you would put in 72, then you'd go to shift, percentage. So it will have the sign of the percentage, and then you would times it by 120, which would give us 86 and 40. That's what I plugged into my calculator, this one. Okay, hope this helps.